right, we just made it to Vegas for SEMA. We just drove in from LA and it's our first time attending SEMA. We already missed day one, it's day two. Let's go get checked into the hotel.
Yo, Hen, they're drifting, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh, I forgot the badge.
Oh, shit. All right, got the passes.
Dude, listen to that. Listen to that. Look at the smoke.
That's crazy, holy crap. Let's get over there.
Check it out.
Let's go.
Dropping that bag.
Look at that. That thing's sick.
It's a crazy wrap on it.
Yeah, it's got an interesting wrap, that's for sure.
It's like a zombie type.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Damn, look at this.
Is that the Hamilton collections?
Yeah, I think so. It's like the one, or it probably is the one that Cletus drove.
Yeah. Where's his? Where's the Regera he almost put in the wall?
Yeah, that was the best clip ever. Cletus, you're definitely not watching, but if you are, that was the best clip I've ever seen. There's
Dude,
SEMA.
look at the paint on that thing.
At first, I thought it was swirls, not gonna lie. That's crazy.
Nah, you think there'd be swirls on this?
I would hope not. That is crazy paint. There's F5s over here too. That thing's so sick.
Did you see the? Did you see all carbon on that? Whole thing's
Yeah,
carbon?
this thing's crazy. Has no interior either.
No.
It's cool though. It's got like green in the carbon. It's wild. So sick. These things are so aggressive. It's insane. Damn, this thing's clean.
I think it's one of the
silver
more
wheels.
Hot take maybe, but I think it's one of the more slept on cars.
Yeah, for sure.
And
Yeah,
I think
Sennas are awesome.
It's a beautiful car.
And this is the GTR. Full race car. So sick. You want a carbon fiber jet ski? That
Yeah,
thing's
it's one of those.
crazy.
It's one of those stand-up ones.
Yeah, no worries. Go for it. Yeah.
The stand-up
so
ones are
sick.
tough, dude.
I've never tried one.
It's hard. I know I just said like that's a super underrated and very beautiful car, but you simply can't get better than a Chiron.
No.
It's just
These things are just
like not only
so
like the
good.
performance you can get with it, but like
And the Super Sport just makes it even better.
Yeah, but it's just the way
The
that
long tail and
it's so smooth and clean.
yeah, they're just so good looking. And when the wing pops up and it has the extra logo under there, it's sick. This is freaking awesome.
Dude, this is fucking sick.
Sounds crazy.
Awesome. Covered in rubber.